Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're out of the basement and going fishing, so here we go. Welcome back everyone. So as you can see, today's episode is not about growing weed, it's about fishing. And you can see I was out with a friend of mine. He's there catching a little white perch.
Oh dang, we should have brought
and we started out pushed up against the dam. Usually this is a good spot, but there's usually a bit more water. So it was making the current real crazy over there. So we decided to move down the stream just a little bit to where it slowed down, and we'd kind of spend the rest of the day right here. There was quite a few crappie, a couple of other little things. We were looking for smallmouth, but
no, it's a crappie. It was a crappie. It was a big one.
We didn't end up getting too many.
That big splash.
So I was using this this rod here and another lighter rod. This has got 8-pound test and a little 1/34 ounce jig on there.
Launch this guy out of the water.
And this is a little green sunfish I picked up, obviously.
It's a little green sunfish.
But yeah, we were just jigging around. Kale had swim bait he was using that was also working. So I'll just let you see how we were working it here for a minute.
Oh, already. Yes, a crappie.
So you might notice that I switched rods here. So this is even lighter. This has got 2-pound test on it, and that is a 1/200th ounce jig head.
Yeah, come over here, dude. This is the spot.
I would ultimately not learn my lesson repeatedly. That was a little too late for today, but it was working really well. Kale had, I think he had 12-pound test on, and it was fine. But I always just kind of lean towards using the lightest line possible. Just a habit of mine, I guess.
Oh, this time. There he is. There he is. No.
So you might have noticed there that one got off because it didn't have enough drag. So I tightened it up a little, but yeah, that would ultimately kind of be a mistake. Obviously, as you might be able to predict.
Dude, right here, every single cast. Kale, you gotta get in over here. Oh no, you ate my little goapy. You ate my minnow. Ah, crappie again. Is that a big enough one? That's actually a good one.
That's a holy fuck up there.
Yeah, put him on the thing.
Look at that.
There you go, bro. I told you, right here.
So all we're doing is aiming for where the current hits the deeper water and starts to slow down. That's where they're just hanging out.
Oh, they'll even take this stupid little pink thing.
And they were hitting everything. I had run out of
I'll show you.
minnows. Kale will give me some more later, but yeah, they were hitting pretty much anything that moved.
Oh, there's a bunch over there still.
We've fished this river quite a few times. A few times further down. And further down, we've actually in the past done better. I think this might have been our best day. Oh, and that's the one. I try to grab him. That's the one that broke the line. And
that was a big one.
should have learned my lesson right there. That I should switch up to the 6 pound, or at least take out my net, as I was saying there. But as you can see, didn't learn that lesson at all. So I never
Are you
did.
kidding me? They're already going after it. Oh, come on. Little nibble.
Holy shit.
Oh, we're both.
And a little double up action here. We would do that a few times today.
I just put her back.
That's hilarious. Yeah, they're probably just stacking up. It's a pretty good one, actually.
There you go, a closer shot.
All right, little buddy. Off you go.
Yeah, but how the hell is he hooked? Look at that.
Just in like the lip of his lip.
So, like I said, this is typically a pretty active spot for us. I've seen lots of other people fish here. I don't know how popular it really is or whatever, but usually there's quite a mix of things. So, by this point, obviously we hadn't
They're
gotten
just sitting waiting for the
any
current.
bass at all whatsoever. And the only odd thing out we got was that one perch and that green sunfish that I got. So. Kind of a weird day, but still pretty good. But at this point, I was beginning to get a little tired of just crappie. I really wanted to catch a bass. We have in the past before, and we almost doubled up here again. We have in the past got, I think it was a 3.5 pound bass here. So I was like itching for that.
Some weird
But
bird on it.
nothing here in this
go, buddy.
front. We actually, when we first came, we had seen a few cruising the really shallow water leading up to the dam in that fast current. That's why we started out up there. So we really expected to find some, but at this point, we'd been here for quite a while, and all there was crappie.
The way they're hitting, they'll probably throw a stick out there and stuff.
Oh, I got a good one this time.
And I'm still getting away with that light line here. You can see how Kale just can horse his in because he's got the 12 pound there, but I'm still getting away with it, but not
Need
forever.
some big ones though. Oh, shoot.
And there it goes.
I think I got it wrapped on itself or something because it broke up here. It didn't break.
But that wouldn't be the last one I'd lose. I still didn't learn my lesson, as I said.
Good one?
Takes me a minute.
Yeah, you get 14.
14. We're tied with the biggest one. Oh. Don't break the line. Oh, don't break the line. How big is this one?
So the biggest one we got of the day, we actually got quite a few, all the 14 inchers we kept, or 14 ounce ones we kept. I don't know how big they were beside that. We were just weighing them. The biggest one I think I got weighed at 12, so Kale got all the keepers.
Oh, how did you get off? Oh, Oh! Oh, you broke it. Here. Do you want to weigh this one? Is this one bigger than yours? I don't think so.
I don't think so, but I'll put it on the scale.
Yeah, lucky little catch there. Barely didn't lose that one.
You were fucked. There you go. And this is the biggest one I got all day.
12 ounces.
Yeah. So not bigger, but I think that's the biggest one I got all day.
So at this point, I decided to walk down, and I walked, I don't know, maybe 20 minutes down, maybe even further. There wasn't any good spots. There was a bunch of good looking spots, but there was lots of just little fish. And this was the furthest I went because I really couldn't believe there weren't any bass anywhere. And I got all the way down here and got excited.
Fall fish.
Just for this little fall fish.
Hey.
And I'd get a second fall fish here, but
Oh my god.
yeah, I was surprised
Already?
how
Wow.
lack of big fish there were in here compared to usual. And considering there was
moly.
so many crappie, I was thinking there had to be something out here. But yeah, that was all I got. So I walked all the way back up, and I decided to try to push the dam again here. And this is with that 2-pound line again. Foreshadowing.
No! I got a big one. You cut me off. Oh.
Yeah, I don't know if it was that big or if it was the current, but I felt it it was big enough that it just snapped it immediately, or at least big enough in the current. So I picked up that little crawfish and tried putting that on the jig, thinking that would attract something bigger, and I switched up to the 8-pound test here, but didn't work out quite the way I was expecting.
Oh.
I just got another fall fish. They were like the buzzkill of the day. One more cast, and a little bit more action, but not quite. Any more luck.
What happened, dude? Oh, because we were fishing here?
Yeah, he was right up above there. And I was going to tell him to come down.
Man, I lost a big one over here. It might have been a bass. It was not worth the walk, dude. I caught like 2 fall fish. They're all very small. Everything over there is very small.
And so what I was trying to do was just get all the way up into the entrance of that dam where the water is coming out.
Oh,
And finally, here, just as we were getting ready to leave.
Did we get it? Dude, grab the net. Dude, grab the net. Dude, grab the net.
It felt a little bigger than it actually was and all that current.
Oh, that was fucking teamwork. I thought it was gonna break the line.
But there we go.
Current,
Finally got that bass we were looking for all day.
Damn. That's the only one of the day, huh? Oh, jeez. Ew. Let me grab, actually, I'll grab this. Oh, nice.
Stuck in the net.
Oh. It doesn't have a lip.
Yeah, so it was kind of had like a scar. It was missing most of its lower jaw.
The only one of the day.
So it was kind of hard
Felt
to get a
way
hold
bigger
of.
in that fucking current.
But yeah, it was only like maybe a pound.
I figured they were pushed up against the wall there. That's what I found. A couple crayfish.
That was it.
I even used those.
That was our
But I only caught
little outing. Not
fall
so
fish, though.
bad.
Goodbye, buddy.
In the end, we kept a few of these crappie. Took them home, filleted them up. Just a little butter, eggs, flour, Cajun seasoning in the pan. Ended up like this. Not bad. So if you enjoyed that, go ahead, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.